Hello friends, good evening. Today's video is based on about fertilizer. Which one is good? Organic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer? But first we know that what is fertilizer? A natural or chemical substance that is sprayed on land in order to make plants grow well is called fertilizer. A chemical substance that is sprayed on land or soil to make plants grow better is a chemical fertilizer. In today's video, we learn about the pros and cons, advantage or disadvantage about chemical fertilizer or organic fertilizer. So we learn about it one by one, that what we should use for our plants and what is the more beneficial. First we talk about chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers are produced synthetically from inorganic materials. Organic fertilizers are substances that are derived from the remains or by product of organism. Organic fertilizers depend upon the microorganism found in soil to break them down and release the essential nutrients. A chemical fertilizer is defined as any inorganic material of wholly or partially synthetic origin that is added to soil to sustain plant growth. But organic fertilizers are substances that are derived from the remains of bioproducts of natural organism which contains the essential nutrients for plant growth. If we talk about the advantages of chemical fertilizers are rich equally in three essential nutrients that are needed for crops and always ready for immediate supply of nutrients to plants if situation demands. And as far as organic fertilizer concerns, adds natural nutrients to soil, increases soil organic matter, improves soil structure and tilth, improves water holding capacity, reduces soil crusting problems, reduces erosion from wind and water, slow and consistent release of nutrients. If we talk about disadvantage, whether it should be chemical or organic, several chemical fertilizers have high acid content. They have the ability to burn the skin, changes soil fertility, and have slow release capability. Distribution of nutrients in organic fertilizers is not equal. This is about organic disadvantage. Chemical fertilizers are manufactured from synthetic material, and wherein organic fertilizers are made from materials derived from living things. As far as preparation is concerned, artificially prepared, the chemical fertilizer are artificially prepared, and organic fertilizer prepared naturally. One can prepare organic fertilizers themselves or can also buy. If we talk about nutrients that contains in both fertilizers, chemical fertilizers has an equal distribution of three essential nutrients: phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, and have unequal distribution of essential nutrients. If we talk about cost, chemical fertilizers turn out to be cheaper because they pack more nutrients per pound of weight. Organic fertilizers may be cheaper per pound but works out to be more expensive overall because more of it is needed for the same level of nutrients. A chemical fertilizer is defined as any inorganic material of wholly or partially synthetic origin that is added to the soil to sustain plant growth. They may have some harmful acids which stunt the growth of microorganism found in the soil helpful for plant growth naturally. They are rich in the three essential nutrients needed for plant growth. Some organic fertilizers are substances that are derived from the remains of or byproducts of organism. Organic fertilizers depend upon the microorganism found in soil to break them down and release the essential nutrients. Organic nutrients are rich in phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium, but in equal proportions. There are two types of organic fertilizers. First is the synthetic type, which is organic compound produced artificially. The other type is natural organic fertilizers, because 100% of the ingredients used to create a typical natural organic fertilizer come from nature, like seaweed, a manure, type of manure, or fish extract, compost materials. One of the main disadvantage of chemical fertilizers is that, in contrast to organic fertilizers, several chemical fertilizers have high acid content like sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. This high acid content results in the destruction of the nitrogen fixing bacteria, which is helpful in supplying the nitrogen to a growing plant. In contrast, organic fertilizers support to growth of nitrogen fixing bacteria. Natural fertilizers like manure have been in use for centuries, as these were the only form of nutrients that could be provided to crops before the invention of chemical fertilizers. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.